Well, as you can see, I've still got loads of junk to get rid of out of the car, and the carpets and the seat and two things. I'm just removing these screws this morning. I'm not going to do a lot. Let's get these ones out. Come up surprisingly easily. I suspect that the joints will be sealed with varnish. In fact, you can see some, well, a load of glue on there. These bits need retaining because they are reused. The frame, it's the new one. It comes with these side pieces, the back cross member, but these three and all the internal wood, because that basically doesn't tend to rot. It hasn't come with the new frame. I'm sure you can buy it, but no point really. And nice to retain at least some of the originality. Surprisingly, these have come up remarkably easy. Only one issue. This screw, yeah, but never mind, we'll sort that. Definitely a point of no return here. I'm going to need to take the other side off fairly swiftly. Just make sure that the panels this side aren't damaged. I might have been better getting this side off first. I'm not entirely sure, but once we take those out, yeah, we just take these remaining bits out, and we should be good to go. Anyway, right. Now, one top tip I would give is, unlike me, make sure rather than just taking what you think you need to take out to safely get something off, remove all the brackets, because otherwise I'm afraid you might have a result a bit like this one. Not very pretty. Hands up. My fault. Oh dear. Never mind. That's all replaced anyway. I've realised the glue holding this, and that this was absolutely full of, is good old-fashioned Cassamite. I love Cassamite. Don't think that many people use it today, but it's wonderful stuff. This is it. Just mix it with a bit of water, and it does everything. It's yes, what we had before PVA. The tub's not as nice as the original one though. Well, we're going to leave this carnage for a minute. Well, a bit more than a minute. Yeah, if Mr. Fix-It's watching, yes, I've put some penetrating oil in that there screw. I still don't hold out much hope, but I think it's going to be split the wood at the bottom. But we'll see. We'll see. Yes, I'm afraid this one was well and truly stuck in there. I don't think the penetrating oil could get through the Cassamite, to be honest. I think whoever put this on it was a bit liberal. Yes, so I used a screw remover, did nothing except just ground the head down. So I completely removed the head, and it was still pretty wedged. I had to use a number of shims under there, screwdrivers and things, and peel it up enough to get my trusty sort of crowbarish tool in there. Well, might be able to get this panel off at last. Doesn't look like, oh yeah, there's just one screw. That's the one that was stopping me getting it out. Now, having removed that last screw from here, and having cleaned this up along here, I've actually removed the panel once already, but there's a groove. There's a little groove in there it sits in. No fixings other than the sort of piece of wood that screws on there. Now my new wood, I didn't think had that, my new timber. However, it has, and me having painted it, I perhaps should have, well, I know I should have removed those screws first and taken out that section. Obviously I'll have to do that on both bits, because they'll need to come out and be put back in place again once the panel goes on. So, as I say, live and learn. Well, I now know what my jobs for next week are anyway. I was only coming in here for 10 or 15 minutes, but it's as usual, got a bit carried away. Anyway, cheers, and thank you anybody that's found this of use or interest and has given me a thumbs up or subscribed. Much appreciate that.